Hey everyone, it's Kay. Thanks for joining me. So, do you have 24 to 48 hours in New Orleans, or are you planning for an upcoming trip that's going to be short? If so, I got you covered. If you've seen my previous two vlogs on New Orleans, you'll know that highlights included fireworks and hanging out at the carousel bar. Unfortunately, during my stay, I got a really bad cold and I missed my cousin's birthday celebration. But here are the other things that I got into. Come along. If you're looking for free things to do, most of them involve traveling by foot. So here's some suggestions. My first recommendation is free tours by foot. It's a gratuity-based tour, meaning you pay what you want at the end. In 2013, I did their garden tour, in addition to their cemetery tour. During this trip, I did a tour of the French Quarter, and here I learned about the Native American, Creole, Cajun, French, Spanish, and African influences in the city. I also learned about New Orleans' connection to slavery. So the tour guide was saying that this used to be a slave exchange. That's why you can see the word change on the building. 12 Years a Slave has signs here. Another favorite from my 2013 trip was the Bayou tour with Cajun encounters. It included lunch and I got to see alligators up close, like this one. He's One-Eyed Jack. However, it does take about half the day, so only plan to do this if you have 2 days in the city. Another suggestion is to walk around because you never know who or what you might see. Wow, these are the prettiest balconies that I've seen so far. I learned something new during my trip. Apparently, there's different types of beignets. For example, you have the donuts, or they can be like the fries that I had at Monty's, or they can be like the catfish beignets that I had at the carousel bar. So over here we have another view of the river. This would actually be a good point to see fireworks. So this is a popular spot here where train riders come off and stay in Louisiana. Next, I walked over to Congo Square. I had heard about it before, and it's basically an area where African Americans gathered, especially in the 1800s, and they danced and held on to cultural traditions. So it was nice to be in a place that had such a strong historical significance. There's multiple tributes to jazz and just the soul of African people. And it's located in Treme, which is one of the oldest Black communities in the States. I didn't see a lot of jazz musicians, but I saw a variety of street performers, including this one.
She got the icon, or trying to be an icon, living off of the top freestyle I'm giving. I see my people.
Well, it's time to go.